Ka kinhon menteri jong sarkar jala ka singi balang kalarai ban pinbon no ki regulated market na ka benta ka jimentoy jong ki pait nong rep ki badan hakalang ki benta jong ka jala. Katkum ka jingat hu da usambut menteri ramba ka jala lada bun ki regulated market kan umdan setia ka jing dor ya ki marrep kabalong ka wei na ka jimentoy ka bakraw ya ki nong rep. Ka sarkar kalakren ru halor ka phang ka bede bar ki karkhana bar kumno ban pinjesor ki kendon na ka benta ka jimentoy jong ka jala.
Agricultural Marketing Act 1980. Again, this one also Government of India has requested all the respective state government to kindly revisit the present form of the act, if possible to improve it so that we can make sure that the farmers get a maximum benefit. And I will just tell you briefly, the intention of the state government right now is to have more regulated market. More regulated market should be in place, because as of today, we have only two regulated market. One is here in Mauyong and the other one is in Garubada, in the West Garo Hills district. So by amending the present act, we will be able to set up more regulated market throughout the state, depending upon the necessity.